Hello, good morning everybody. Sorry, we are late. Today we are doing this a bit later than normal. So we'll start off with the chart on our screen. This is GBP USD. So you can see I've added a new indicator. This is known as the this is known as the zigzag indicator. And how I use this, I only use it to set stop losses. So when the price moves down, that's assuming we are here and the price has gone below this bottom, that's always a good sign for a sell with our stop loss at the top, at the tip of this high. So that's basically how I use it. When the price goes below the bottom, I pick a sell and then we have a stop loss there. The same thing applies when the price is here. I would pick a sell and then have a stop loss at the top. The same thing would apply when the price has gone above this high. I would pick a buy position and have my stop loss at the bottom. So as it is now, we are into a sell. After the price has gone below this level, we took a sell position. Our stop loss is fixed around this point at the top of this high. So we still expect more. So as I was saying, we still expect price to proceed downwards on this chart. We do have a resistance at this point. This is a very good level where if the price can pull back up to, then this will also be a good place to sell it from. So if you didn't sell it while the price was here below this low, you can still wait and sell it when the price gets to 1.27764 or 1.27678. The next chart is Euro USD. This is also bearish. You can see there's a massive move to the lower side and the highs keeps getting lower. We had the highest high at this point. We had a higher high here, another a lower high, another lower high, another lower high here. So even in this place, we expect price not to break beyond this high. We don't expect price to successfully go above this high. So we'll basically be waiting for a sell when the price gets to this point here. We are almost there, and I'm seeing a possibility that this could be a very good trend line here, and not a very good one. So we'll do away with that. So we have this 1.17218. We also have another level here, 1.1768 here, and then the last one is here, 1.18719, which is somewhere around this point. So if the price pulls back to this point, we'll look for a sell. If the price continue up to 1.17668, we'll look for a sell. And if the price goes even higher up to either this or this level, we'll be looking for a sell. The next chart is USDJPY. So somehow USDJPY is upwards. I'm saying this because you can see that we had an active downtrend. We had a lower high here. We had a lower high, another lower high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high here, another lower high. Then for the first time, the price formed a higher low, a higher high, another higher high. This too is also another higher. So we do expect price to break beyond this high and then push price much higher. So if you're on this chart now, you should be expecting a momentum towards 105.195 and could break out higher up to the next level, which is this. Then the next target is this one, and then the last one which you're seeing is actually the high which we had so far. So if the price is to continue upwards, and the first one 108,195.4, 105,537, 105,810, and the last one is 106.262. The last one, this is the last one. So the next chart I want us to look at Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far we were looking for a sell. So on Brent oil, this is what we are looking at. We expect a sell. We expect a sell from this trend line. If the price bounces off perfectly from this point, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. We do expect that sell to push price up to the support which you have in the trend line, which is at the bottom, at the lower side here. So we'll look for a sell. When the price gets this point, we'll pick a sell. We expect that sell to take price up to the support. So the next chart I want us to look at is SP500. Look at it from the first, it looks like we are upwards. We have a trend line at this point, like this, and then we have another one from the top. Basically, this is just some support. We have some support, we have a resistance, If the price can come back up to the one at the top, then we'll be looking for a temporary sell up to the lower trend line, where if it bounces off, this will be another good place to look for a buy from. So ultimately, we do expect price to continue upwards, at least up to 3374.6, or this one 3430.6. So this will be the correct place to buy from. We'll buy from this point and wait for a possible sell around 3374.6, or will remain long up to 3430.6.